In this video, we will be using the alias edit command for easy creation of aliases that can make our drafting more productive and comprehensive in other languages. In this example, we will create an alias for the stretch command, named after the Spanish translation. To open the alias editor, type alias edit in the command box. Here we can see all of our commands and its aliases. Let's click Add to create our new alias. And we must select the stretch command to link the two. We can confirm that the alias is now showing up in the command list. Now we can use the alias. Now, let's say we install LusoCAD in a totally different computer. Do we have to create all our aliases from scratch once again? Fortunately, we do not, since we can just export the original PGP file and import it on a new instance of LusoCAD. Let's go back to Alias Edit and select Export to create our PGP file. Now, to apply the PGP file, just select Import, select the desired file and apply your changes. This way we can use the same aliases on different computers by simply importing a PGP file.